If you're using AWS services, then you might know that if you're not careful enough in using their services, then you can get a huge bill from AWS and it can be way over your budget. So in order to avoid this kind of situation, you can take some precaution. And one of the precautions can be creating a billing alarm. In AWS billing alarm, you can set a maximum threshold amount for your account, and whenever your usage bill cross this threshold, AWS will notify you immediately. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply create an AWS billing alarm. So let's get started. In order to create an AWS billing alarm, you need to log into your AWS account first. For that, you can use your root user ID or you can have an IAM user ID to log in. I'm going to use my root user ID, but AWS best practice is to use a IAM user ID. Now I'm going to input my email address. Now I need to input my password. Now I'm logged into my AWS console, and when you are in the AWS console, you need to make sure that you're in the US East North Virginia region, because all the AWS billing metric data, including all the services that you are using from AWS, are stored in this region. So in future, if you are trying to do perform any kind of billing operation, you need to be in this region. Before creating a AWS billing alarm, you need to enable the AWS billing alarm monitor. To do that, you need to click on your account name, and from there you need to choose billing dashboard. In your AWS billing dashboard page, from the navigation pane, you are going to select billing preferences. In the preferences page, you need to select receive billing alerts. Mine is already selected because I have set up these billing alerts previously, but yours might not. So make sure to check it and then hit the save preferences button. After clicking the save preferences button, your billing alarm monitor will be enabled. Just a point to remember that after enabling the billing alarm monitor for the first time, you need to wait about 15 minutes to view the billing data or create a billing alarm. After successfully creating your billing alarm monitor, you need to go to your AWS Cloudwatch. AWS Cloudwatch is a monitoring and management service that provides data and actionable insights. You can collect and access all your performance and operational data in the form of logs and metrics in the Cloudwatch, rather than monitoring them separately. So when you are in your AWS CloudWatch dashboard, from the navigation page, you need to expand your alarms, and from there you need to select all alarms. When you are on the all alarms page, you need to hit the create alarm button. Now, in the create alarm page, first step, you need to select your metric. So in the browse tab, you need to select billing option, and then you need to select total estimated charge. Here you need to select USD row, and then you need to hit the select metric button again. Now your metric settings has been created, and here the period means that the metric data point will be updated every 6 hours. You can change this from 10 seconds to 1 day, or you can have custom periods in seconds also. So I'm going to keep it as 6 hours. Then you need to move to the conditions part. There you can see that the threshold type is already selected as static. You don't need to change it. You can keep it as it is. And then you, in the whenever estimated charge is greater than threshold, we are also going to keep it as same. And in the then input field, you need to put an amount which will be your threshold. So I'm going to input 5 USD. What this will do, whenever my AWS usage bill is greater than $5, AWS will send me a notification. Now, after this, I'm going to hit next. In the configure action step, in the alarm state trigger, we are also going to keep this as in alarm state. Then you need to configure an SNS topic to get the billing notification, which is a cloud-based notification service. So if you cross your estimated budget, CloudWatch will push a notification to SNS, and the SNS will notify you via email. So here you can select an existing SNS topic, or you can create a new one. If you select an existing SNS topic, then in the send a notification to, here you need to select your topic name. After this, you can view them in the SNS console, or you can just go and hit next. If you want to create a new topic, then you must provide a topic name which must be unique. I'm going to name it as billing alarm testing. Then you need to input email endpoints that will receive the notifications in future. You can input one email address, or you can input multiple email address by separating them using comma. After inputting the email address, you need to hit create topic. As you can see, your topic has been created, and the option is now select an existing SNS topic, and here you are seeing your topic name. You can add another notifications which for different alarm state, like you can set for OK state or insufficient data state. But we're not going to do it, so I'm going to revert this as it was, and then I'm going to hit next. Now in the third step, you need to input your alarm name. I'm going to name it as test alarm, and I'm not going to give any alarm description. I'm going to hit next. Now in the step 4, you need to review all of your settings, and if everything seems okay to you, hit the create alarm button. Now you can see your billing alarm has been created, and here it is showing an warning. This warning is because you didn't give your email permission to get the notification in future. So you need to go to your inbox and check for a notification message from AWS. There you need to give proper permission. After that, this warning message will be gone. AWS has sent a subscription confirmation email. Here I need to confirm the subscription. As you can see, my subscription has been confirmed. Now, if you go back to your console and hit the refresh button, you will see that the warning message is gone. If you click on your alarm name, you'll be able to view all the details associated with your alarm name. And if you want, you can change the settings for your billing alarm by clicking on the action button and hit edit. And from here, you can edit your settings and then hit update alarm. Or if you want, you can delete this alarm in future by clicking on this action button and select delete. As you can see, your alarm has been deleted. If you are using AWS free tier, then you must remember that you can use up to 10 alarms and 1000 email notifications each month for free. Hope you have liked this video, and thank you very much for watching.